In this video, I'll show you how you can generate an Amazon affiliate link for a product on Amazon. So when people click on it and buy, you will then earn a commission. I'll also show you some useful tips and tricks for the Amazon affiliate program. What you first need to do is go to Google and just search for Amazon Associates. You can sign up for the Amazon Associates or the Amazon affiliate program. The first one that will probably come up is the Amazon.com website. You can go ahead and sign up if you haven't already. It is important to note though, if you sign up for the Amazon.com program, you can only promote links on the Amazon.com website. Once you've signed up for the Amazon affiliate program, you then need to find a product that you want to promote. So let's just go into computers and accessories, and let's say we want to promote this Apple Pencil. So we'll click on this. Now, make sure that you're signed into the Amazon Associates program. So you can see I'm signed in here. When you're signed in, you'll see this Amazon Associates side stripe bar, and that allows you to get your text link or an image or a text and image. I'll show you how you can get this to appear. But anyway, what you would do if you wanted to promote this product here is you will go to Get Link, you'll go to Text, and you can then choose from a short link or a full link. I like to grab the short link, and this link will then redirect your traffic to this page here. If they buy, you will get a commission. You'll also get a commission for any product that they buy within 24 hours of clicking on your link. Now, for some reason, if you can't get this Amazon Associates side stripe bar and it just isn't working, the first thing to do is make sure you're logged in. Then go to Tools, and then go to Site Stripe. Then when you're here, go to Learn More, and you want to make sure that Site Stripe is turned on. You can see mine is enabled. If this is disabled for some reason, that's probably why you're not seeing this bar here. Now, your text link will only redirect to Amazon.com. So if someone's coming from the UK, they're going to be redirected from Amazon.com. To get around this, I recommend you watch this video here, where I'll show you how you can redirect links to that person's country's Amazon. So don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and I think that you will also like these videos. Check them out here.